Now I'm just tacking the threaded rod into the little square tubing piece. And once I'm happy with the position and I'm sure it's at about 90 degrees to the rebar, I will weld it all the way around. Have all the main components completed. I'm just going to put them here in the vise momentarily so I can piece them together and make sure that they all sit and work together properly before I go and paint it. It's kind of a pain in the ass to use because it takes so long to thread the handle on, but it will hold whatever you need it to hold. Figured yellow was a good color.